Hello, today I'm in Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster display, increase and decrease the volume, change radio station and go back inside of the menu of navigation of instrument cluster display. If you press right here, you will use horn, and right here we've got the panel, thanks to which you can activate cruise control, speed limiter, you can answer the calls and activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.